back, Vino.
I'm making bad decisions. I'm on the X again. Go. Who got the jam? Who got the drink? I try to pour out. I'm searching around for the purple star. When I'm feeling down, just pick me up. I can't believe she's talking about car. I'm pouring again, it's never enough. I'm punching in, I ain't writing the stuff. I'm mixing that shit in my custard car. The lean that shit, it cost a lot. It cost a lot just to be at the top. And half of these niggas, they can't afford it. Look at my lean, it cost from more. I got my Cali and lean imported. Stupid bitch, she thinks she's important. I'll leave her on red line, I ain't sorry. Fucking my kidneys up in my organ. Cruising around in a tinted forest. Who the jam? Who the jam? Who the jam? Who the jam? Another line, pour that shit inside my cup ain't wet enough. I can't go another day without that pepper stuff. But sipping for another reason, I ain't got a cup. I ain't ready, learn my lesson, I won't fall in love. He thinks the price is way too high, go to another shop. Now we got a problem, he don't wanna pay. I got 4 spots, they all got class A. What you need on drops, in that A class. Free hope, bring a friend, tell a friend, they tell a friend. My stuff's the best, go recommend. Got tunnel vision, different lens. Wrap up that package, send all the bread I fucking spend. Just on link and pay rent. Wait, how do you know my business? I ain't never told you nothing. If the feds kick this door, then you know the toilet's flushing. I've been having nightmares, I keep thinking I look how she keep mixing it with spit when she's sucking so disgusting.